First I started with a plain white tray, and then I painted it baby blue and I glued on the pictures. This is a resin with a glitter mixed in it. Then you want to pour the resin in nice and evenly. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And if you have any spaces or any gaps, you can always use a popsicle stick to smooth it all out so it's nice and even. And this is after I poured it in, making sure it's nice and even, no gaps, no dents. And you have a nice and smooth layer. After that, you want to make sure you cover it and let it cure for 24 hours. And this is what it should look like after it's fully cured. It came out really nice, super sparkly. I wanted to use baby blue as the aesthetic and use my best friend's horoscope, pictures of makeup since she's a makeup artist, and other aesthetic pictures I knew she would like. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching this short little video. I'll be uploading more tutorials soon. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more videos.